Hello viewers, today we are going to prepare our authentic pineapple kesari. This recipe is definitely going to remind you of the perfect authentic kesari bhat which is served on a banana leaf in southern India. It's mainly prepared during festivals such as Ugadi and also during weddings. Let's get started with the process. In a hot pan of your choice, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Let the ghee get heated up. Let's go ahead and add half a cup of fine semolina. Roast the semolina until golden brown. The semolina has soaked up all the ghee, so I am adding 1 more tablespoon of ghee to it. We have to make sure that the semolina is nicely roasted and is a bit moist before heading to step 2. So let's start with our main pressure cooking. Turn on the saute mode of the electric pressure cooker. Let the inner pot get heated up. Add 3 tablespoons of ghee to it. Cancel the saute mode after the ghee melts. Let's go ahead and add 2 pieces of cloves to the ghee as well as 2 cardamom pods which are crushed to get a better flavor. To this we will add 1 cup of fresh pineapple juice. I have blended fresh pineapple in a juicer to get a perfect kesari. Please use the ripe fresh pineapples to make the juice. Let's add 1/4 cup of fresh pineapple pieces to it for the added texture. Add half a cup of raw cane sugar. Make sure it is spreaded well. Add strands of kesar, it's optional. Let's go ahead and add the prepared roasted semolina. Add cashews for garnishing. Add a teaspoon of cardamom powder. We are using the layering technique to make this halwa. Close the lid and adjust the valve to sealing mode. Select the pressure cook mode to low and adjust the timer for 12 minutes. The pineapple kesari prepared in our 1-pot electric pressure cooker is special because it's purely cooked in pineapple juice without using any water, which gives it a special deep orange yellow golden hue. Also gives a flavor of grilled pineapples. It perfectly justifies the name or term kesari. After cook time is done, please wait for 3 minutes for natural pressure release. Move regulator to venting mode and wait for float valve to fall down. Open the lid. Smells heavenly. Mix the kesari well. Close the lid and allow the semolina to soak up all the juices and the flavors. After 2 to 3 minutes of waiting time, let's go ahead and open the lid. Wow! Pineapple kesari, the dish which is common in the cuisine of Karnataka as well as multiple regions in South India. It's mainly prepared during festivals such as Ugadi and also during weddings. It is rich, beautiful blend of sweet, tangy, fresh pineapples which are cooked in ghee roasted semolina garnished with cashew nuts. We are able to achieve this perfect recipe with ease and in a comfort of home with very little efforts, prepared in minutes in our 1-pot electric pressure cooker. Thank you for watching.